Here is the Kia Sorento. The light's over there, and the way to access it, we have to first open up the hatch, and there's an access panel right over there. You will need a flathead screwdriver to put it right in that slot there, and then pull it out, and the cover just comes right out. That's the bulb holder for the inner tail light. Just grab it and twist to the left, and now it's loose and it comes right out. In order to get the bulb out, just push it down, twist to the left, and it will come off. So push it down, twist to the left, and out it comes. The bulb number is 2357. Check the link in description to get the new one from Amazon for yourself. And then when you put it back in the bulb holder, if you're not able to push it down, wait, take it out, turn it around, and now you should be able to push it down. So push it down, twist to right, let it go. Now when you put it back in the light, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it drops in. So be patient, it may take you a few seconds. And once it sits in like this, good. See how it's sitting in flush? Now twist your right to lock it, and you're done now. Good. Let's get the cover back in place. Make sure it's sitting in the way I'm showing. Press it down to engage all the clips to secure it, and that is looking good. That's it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.